Your Lexus RX350 key fob relies on a small battery to function. When it dies, you'll lose convenient features like remote locking, unlocking, and push-button start. This video provides a straightforward guide to replacing the battery yourself, saving you time and money. We will focus on 2016 to 2022 models, which all use the same CR2032 battery type. The 2016-2022 Lexus RX350 comes with either a remote key or a smart key fob. Both types use the same CR2032 battery, but they differ in functionality. A remote key provides basic functions like locking and unlocking doors remotely. It does not have proximity sensing. A smart key, introduced in 2016, offers proximity sensing for keyless entry and exit. If your car has push-button start, it most likely uses a smart key. Both key types use a CR2032 battery for power. However, smart keys might require reprogramming after a battery change if issues arise. Be aware of this potential need. To replace your Lexus RX350 key fob battery, you'll need a few simple tools and the correct battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver to remove any screws securing the key fob casing. For opening the fob without scratching it, use a plastic prying tool, also called a spudger. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This is the specific type used in Lexus RX350 key fobs. Optional items include gloves to avoid transferring oils to the electronics and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning the battery contacts. Make sure to purchase the CR2032 battery specifically for your Lexus RX350 key fob. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step process of opening the key fob casing. First, locate the key ring slot on your fob. This is where the keychain attaches and often indicates the seam. Next, carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into the seam of the fob. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Some models may have a small screw that needs to be removed first using your screwdriver. Finally, be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use your tool to gently pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Ensure the battery is securely seated in its compartment. Now that you've replaced the battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together securely. If your fob had a screw, reinsert it and tighten it carefully to maintain the seal. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm they work with your vehicle. For smart keys, also test the proximity unlocking feature by approaching the vehicle to ensure proper functionality. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's making good contact. If you have a smart key and it's not functioning properly, such as proximity unlocking not working, you might need to reprogram the key. This can be done at a Lexus dealership. According to a 2025 AutoZone survey, 60% of owners replace batteries every 18 to 24 months, so keep an eye out. Always dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it at a designated battery recycling location. Avoid exposing the fob to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, consider having a professional replace the battery. Remember, replacing the battery yourself can save you $40 to $80 compared to a dealership. As a DIY success rate, RepairPal data from 2024 shows that 85% of DIY attempts succeed without issues.